So hi again. Yeah, so this is like another shout out. It's because Xandra is special. Yeah, she's like a cat fan, and Jose made that up. So yeah, Jose. First I want to talk about my best friend, Frida. She's some kind of unicorn, dolphin, panda thing. Well, I'm her mom. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't sound so good. Yeah, I'm her mom, and I really love her like a lot. Look, I still have my cookie. And so, yeah, I love her like really much. I think people can tell. Yeah. And next is the inventor of the cat fin. Yeah, Xandra will probably get upset. Yeah, so you're really awesome, Jose. Like, yeah. But sometimes you're scary. Yeah. Oh yeah, and for Frida again, sex. Yeah, my sex addict. And don't buy those lollipops from Spencer's, please.